Tired of boring car accessories that don't stand out? Or maybe you want something smarter, brighter, and easier to control? Well, we got the solution. Introducing the Nilight TR-101-A Underglow car lights, designed with vivid RGB colors, wireless remote control, and music sync mode for a glow that moves with every beat. Durable and waterproof, these lights add bold style and atmosphere to your ride. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the Nilight TR-101-A car lights, remote control, user manual, mounting brackets, screws, cable ties, control box. Specifications. Installation. First, check if the lights are working or not by connecting them to a battery. Then plan the layout carefully, typically placing strips under the front bumper, rear bumper, and along both sides. Clean all mounting surfaces thoroughly with alcohol wipes so the adhesive can bond well. Then attach the LED strips. Reinforce them with clips or screws. Now run the wires along the car's undercarriage, following factory wiring paths. Secure them tightly with zip ties and use plastic conduit or loom tubing to protect them from sharp edges. Install the control box in a dry, hidden, and protected location, such as behind the front bumper near the firewall or under a plastic splash guard. Now power the system through the 12-volt cigarette lighter. Once everything is connected, test the lights using the remote or app, making sure all strips work. After setup, your car will be ready to shine with customizable colors, music sync, and stylish underglow effects. Hardwiring the lights. Locate the cabin fuse box in your vehicle. Its exact position can be found in your owner's manual. For help, watch our fuse box guide video. Just tap the links below to view the video and access the manual. Run the control box's power wire through a firewall grommet into the cabin and locate the fuse box. Using a multimeter, find an ignition-switched ACC fuse that powers only when the car is on, then install a fuse tap and connect the kit's positive wire to it, adding an inline fuse for protection. For the ground, secure the negative wire to a bare metal chassis bolt with a ring terminal. Once connected, insulate any exposed wiring with heat shrink or tape and tidy everything with zip ties. How to connect. Download and install the Nilight Home app. Turn on the Bluetooth in your mobile phone. Open the app, select and connect your device from the list. Once paired, you can sync settings and access all features. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.